So welcome to Zoho interview questions. So Zoho is one of the it's the fastest growing company. It's one of the fantastic company. Like many of my friends have told, the environment is damn good and you can learn a lot of things in this company. So let's talk about how the questions are there in Zoho company. Okay, let's start it. And Zoho company, the company is looking for much more stronger programming skills because it's a kind of an IT company and looking for software development, and they are looking for very strong programming skills. So you'll have a lot of logical thinking and everything. So they will give you logic to write programs in either C or C++ or any languages which you prefer. But they are looking for a highly skilled programmers to work in the company. Okay. So my name is Venkat. I'm a job consultant. I'm a software engineer, job consultant, and a software trainer. So I'm giving a lot of training for the students to motivate the people and guiding the students towards technology. Okay, so if you're looking for a job or if you need any guidance from if you're looking for a guidance or something like that, you can contact me. I'm ready to help you. Okay, so apart from that, I'm a Microsoft awarded most valuable professional, and this is your first question. The question is, a group of friends went on a holiday to a hill station. It rained for 13 days. Oh, it's raining for 13 days. Okay. But when it rained in the morning, the afternoon was lovely. Okay. So morning is raining, but afternoon is it's good. Okay. And when it is rained in the afternoon, the day was preceded by clear morning. So morning is good, but the afternoon is raining. Altogether, there was almost 11 very nice mornings and 12 very nice afternoons. How many days did their holiday last? Okay, so 11 very nice mornings and 12 very nice afternoons there. So how many days are they? So it rained for 13 days. It's rained for 13 days. Okay, so the raining is after the rain in the morning and the afternoon is lovely. So one condition, rain in the afternoon, the day was preceded by clear morning. The morning is good. How many days did their holiday last? This is the question. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So rain in the morning is X days, the clear morning and rain in the afternoon is Y days, no rain is Z days, Z. Okay, so X, Y, Z. Number of days with the rain is X plus Y is equal to 13. Okay, number of days with a clear morning. So morning is a clear morning is Y, right? Clear morning, so you got a clear morning, but afternoon is raining. So clear morning and with the clear mornings is Y plus Z. Okay, so it's 11 days. Number of days with the clear afternoon. So one in the afternoon is 12 days. That's X plus Z because rain in the morning and lovely afternoon. With the clear afternoon is X plus Z is equal to 12 days. You got equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So we know the simplification technique, right? Using the simplification technique you can solve this one. So adding 1, 2 and 3. So we are adding it. You'll be getting X plus Y. So you'll be getting 2 into X plus Y plus Z is equal to 36. So X plus Y plus Z is equal to 18. That's the equation 4. I got the equation 4. Subtracting. So from this equation, if I try to subtract 2 from 4, so X plus, so minus this one. So you got 18 minus 11. You got the answer as X is equal to 7. So we got a rain in the morning and lovely afternoon is 7 days. Subtracting your 3 from 4, you got Y. So you'll be getting Y, it's 18 minus 11. So 18 minus 11, you got 6 days. 6 days you got a clear morning and rain in the afternoon. So solving this one, X plus Y plus Z, you know X and Y. Solving this one, you got Z is equal to 5. So we got 5 days, there is no rain in the morning and also in the afternoon. Okay, so X is equal to 7, Y is equal to 6 and Z equal to 5. Okay, so adding this one, you got the answer as, the answer is 18. So you got the answer here itself, it's 18. You got the answer 18 here itself, but solving it, you get the answer here itself, 18. Okay, so the number of days is 18. So X plus Y plus Z equal to 18, simple. You don't want these things, you can solve it here itself, 18 is the answer. Okay, now a group of friends goes for the dinner and gets a bill of rupees 2,400. So it's almost 2,400 rupees. They paid the bill, they got the bill, and 2 of them they told they don't have the purse. Okay, so considering 10 people are there, 8 people got the purse, but 2 people they don't have purse. Okay, the problem is like, so we need to pay the money, right? So everyone, the remaining 8 people paid extra 100 rupees to compensate. Okay, 2 people don't have money. For these 2 people, everyone put 100, 100, 100 to compensate the money. Okay, the question is how many people are there in that group? That's the question. So x is the number of people, y is the amount. X into y is equal to 2400. So number of person into a specific amount is 2400. Okay, so the number of people is reduced as x minus 2, and then like amount is increased by y plus 100. So that's going to be this problem. Okay, let x be the number of person in the group and y be the amount per head. So x into y is equal to 2400. So y, the amount is equal to 2400 divided by x is the amount I need to pay. Every person should pay the amount of 2400 divided by the number. Okay, since 2 friends don't have money, so you got the number of people here is x minus 2 into y plus 100. So everyone is paying 100 here, the rest of the people. So it's equal to 2400 once again. You got y plus 100 is equal to 2400 divided by x minus 2, and we got so y is equal to, so I put it here, so y is equal to 2400 minus 100. Okay, over here y is equal to 2400 divided by x, and y is equal to same, the amount is same. Okay, y is same. So equating this thing, these two, you got 2400x, this one is equal to this one. So cross multiplying each, you will be getting 100x minus 100x plus 200 divided by x minus 2. So crossing it here, so you have to cross it like this, right? You have to cross it here and you have to cross it here. That's basic simplification model. You will be getting this one, and equating this one, you will be getting this one. Divide by 100, you got x square minus 2x minus 48. So solving this equation, you got x minus 8 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8 or x equal to minus 6 cannot be negative. The answer is 8. So 8 people went for the party and 2 people they don't have money. 6 people put 100 rupees extra to pay the money. So the number of people is 8. So that's the answer. Okay, so 2400 divided by 8, you got the answer as almost 300 rupees per head. So every people needs to pay 300 per head to make a payment of 2400. Since 2 people don't have money, they paid extra 100. So every people paid 400. So 6 into 400, the same 2400 it comes. There are 3 jars of different sizes. One jar holds 8 liters. The other second jar holds 5 liters. Third jar holds empty. Okay, so third jar are empty. So all the things are empty. So there is no measuring level or marks in a juggle between these. So sorry, this one is 3 liters. The third jar is 3 liters. 8, 5 and 3 liters. The question is wrong. So I want to make 4 liters each at the end. So let's see the problem. You got an 8 liter bottle, 5 liter bottle and a 3 liter bottle. Okay, so 8 liter, 5 liter, 3 liter. At the end I want 4 liter, 4 liter. So in the starting you got 8, so I got 8 liters liquid here. Okay, you are able to find it here. I want 4 liters each at the end. So I got 8 liters, I'm going to pour it in this 8 liters bottle, and I have to make 4 liter here. There is no I don't have any intermediate 4 liter, 3 liter here. Okay, so now what I have made is like, the first thing is like I made 8 is to 0, 0. Okay, and afterwards from here I poured 5 liter here. Okay, so 3, 5, 0. And now afterwards what I have done is like, from here I poured 3 liter here. So 3, 2 and 3. Now I got 3, 2 and 3. From here I poured 3 liter here. Now I got 6, 2, 0. I poured 2 liter over here. Okay, now it becomes 6, 0, 2. Now what I am trying to do is like, once again I am pouring here the 6 liters over here. I got 1, 5, 2, and afterwards from here I am pouring 1 liter here. I got 4 here. Fantastic. Now I got 3 here, pour it here, I got 4 liters here. I found the answer. So 4, 4, 0. In step 7 you are able to make this one. So let me repeat once again. I got 8 liter milk. I want to pour, the final output should be 4 liter and 4 liter in 2 jars. Okay, 8 liter, so this one is 0, 0. The jar size is 8 liter, 5 liter and 3 liter. From here, I am trying to put, so I got 8 liter here, I am trying to pour 5 liter here. So over here I got 3, 5 and 0, I got this one. This is step 1. Okay, so now I got, over here it's 3, 5, 0. From here I am going to pour it here. Now this will become a 3 liter and this will become a 2 liter and this is still it's 3. So I am to step 2. Okay, 3, 2, 3. Now what I am trying to do is like from here I am trying to pour this 3 liter here. Now this one become 6, still 2 and over here is 0. Okay, so I got into step 3. Now what I am trying to do is like this got 6 liter, this got 2 liter and this got 0 liter, which I am in step 3. Now I am pouring this 2 if over here 2, over here 0 and over here it's 6. You got into step 4. Okay, so from here I am trying to pour once again the 5 liter here. Okay, I got 1, 5 liter here, I got 2 liter here. From here I am going to pour 1 liter over here to fill this one. Now I got 3 liter here, 4 liter here and over here 1 liter here. So 1, 4, 3, I got step 6. From 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3. Now from here I am going to pour here. Now I got 4 and 0, I reached my step 7. So this is the question and this is the answer. So you got 8 liters, 5 liters and 3 liters, you got 8 liters of liquid and pour it in 4 liters, make it as 4, 4. So this is the logic you have to follow. Let's move on to the next problem. Predict the output of the following. So this is a program, character S is equal to man, M, A, N. I want to print it I equal to 0, S of I plus plus, percentage C, character, S of I. So obviously like I am getting S of I, S of 0, it's M. So you will be having M here. Over here it should be M. Okay. Over here I got a star of S plus I. Obviously it's the same S of I. And this is S of I. And this is also the same. So I'll be getting a similar kind of answer. Let's see like how it works. Here is the program. So I got man is the string. Man is an array of character. Okay, and int I got a variable. I'm going to loop through each. M, loop through each. A, loop through each. N, loop through each, and print it. If I try to print it, the answer is S of I will be M. Over here I got M, star S plus I is still it's M, and I plus S star is still M, and I of S is still M. Over here like automatically it will get incremented. Now it's S of 1, S of 1 is same, and automatically increase S of 2 is same. So S of I, that is no condition is given, indicates until the null character start traversing. So by default it will consider like this. Okay, so here is the output I am trying to show to you. I got the variable char of S, so void main function. I got char of S, so it's a character array man, and I am having a variable int I. I am trying to clear my screen. Now I got a for loop. So in the for loop I am going to loop through it. So S of I star S plus I star of I plus S and I of S. So everything is same. You are able to see the outputs. Okay, this is how the program will be. Let's move on to the next program. Next question. Explain the struts configuration file. This is the very basic question they will ask for the Java programmers. Okay, so they are looking for a basic knowledge of Java for those interview for the people who is going to attend this program. So before that you should understand what is MVC control. So it's a kind of program technique. The people will be started using it at present in the market. So this is one of the fantastic and recent kind of programming technique used in writing logics. So over here you got model, controller and view. The client is the one who is accessing the controller, and obviously like the view is in part, so view is the one which is getting displayed, and model is the one who is accessing the database. This is how the programs are written in the recent trends. Okay, so this is called MVC pattern. Okay, so the question is like related to MVC pattern in Java. Explain the struts configuration file. What is this one? So over here you are able to see I got me like a server-side programming, like a Java servlet page. Over here you got the struts config.xml. This got a lot of action form, and they got a lot of action. So what kind of action I need to do? And the action servlet will be invoking a particular action, and this guy will be taking care of this action servlet will invoke or execute this struts config.xml, which will tell which view I need to show what is the action. So this is how this struts and config XML will work. Okay, see, thing is like I'm using I'm putting like a username and password. I'm clicking submit. Once if I click submit, if the user is valid, show the inbox. So this struts.config file will have the configuration like which page I want to show if there is an action is succeeded. Okay, so such kind of information will be there in this struts .config file, -config.xml file. It's a basic XML file. It will have form beans, global forwards, action mapping. So form beans, so you'll be seeing I'll be detailing it later. So this is a root node of the configuration file. So this is a very important file which is used in the program. Form beans in the sense it's trying to create the action form. So to which form I need to work, to which form I need to redirect. That's why it's called global forwards. See, things like considering I'm looking for Kashin for /AA. So that page is not available, right? In that case, if there is any unwanted pages, if the users are searching for any unwanted pages, go to a common page. That's your error 404. The page is not displayed. So that's your global forwards. Redirect to a particular page, and afterwards like a global forwards, if there is a common like a logic which we need to follow. The page is not available. If whatever you type it, go to that particular page. Okay, such kind of redirecting. And finally it will have some other information like action mapping. If a button is pressed, if it is true, what I have to do. If I'm putting the cancel button, what I should do. Everything is action controlling, action mapping. And you got plugins and also the controller information. Okay, so like from way to another thing which I need to move, everything is controlled. Everything is given in this struct-config.xml file. It's in the form of XML. It's nothing but a config file. You may ask me a question, what kind of company we are? So our company, Kashiv Infotech, we are providing lots and lots of internships and in-plan training for the degree studying students, degree completed people, freshers and experienced people. If you're looking for a job or if you need any guidance, or you can contact us anytime. And we are conducting lots and lots of courses. So this is our course structure. Weekend and weekday courses. Okay, this is our contact number. You can contact us anytime and we are ready to help you, and we are providing courses in cheapest cost, and I'm the trainer. Now, it's a basic simplification questions they will ask in the interview, like A is to B is equal to 5 is to 9 and B is to C is equal to 3 is to 8. What is the nature of A is to B is to C? That's the question. Okay, so it's a very simplification. We have seen A is to B, it's 5 is to 9, and B is to C is 3 is to 8, and A is to B is to C is what? Okay, so what I'm trying to do is A divided by B. So A is equal to 5. So given that A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 9, okay, and B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 8. So B divided by C is equal to 3 divided by 8. Okay, obviously like I'm putting B is equal to 9, so I'm putting 9 divided by C is equal to 3 divided by 8. Obviously you got the value of C is equal to 24. Okay, the answer is C is equal to 24. Okay, it's a very simple question. Let's move on to the next question. The LCM of two positive numbers is 168 and the product is 504. What is the difference in the squares? Oops. You have to find the numbers and you have to find the difference in the square. You have to find the A and B. The LCM of A and B is 168 and it's a positive number, it's not a negative number, and A into B is equal to 504, we need to find A square minus B square. Let's see like how we can solve this problem. So first thing, I'm trying to find the LCM of two positive numbers. That's 168 first. 168, I got two positive numbers. First, I'm trying to make this 168. 168 divided by 2, you got this one. So divided by 2, 2, 3, 7, 1, you got this one. Now for the product, I'm making the same. I'm trying to divide it. I'm trying to see like what are the multiples I'm getting it now. So divided by 3, I got 21, divided by 3, once again I got 7, and obviously I got 7, 1. So the multiples is like 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Good. Now let's move on to the actual problem. I got 504 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, so it's 8. So 8 into 3 into 3 into 7, so it's 24 into 21. The possibility is 24 into 21. So how I'm trying to find it? So over here you are able to see this one is common, and I'm missing 3 here. I'm missing 3 here. So this one is a common number. This one is a common number. So 4 into 3, so sorry 8 into 3, you will be getting 24, and 3 into 7, 24 and 27. Okay, see what I tried is like these two are common number, these two are common number. Okay, and afterwards, so these 4 are common numbers, and 7 is coming here. Okay, I missed out 3. So I missed out 3. I'm combining this one. I'm combining this one. This is the blind logic. It means 3 will come in both the numbers, as 3 is coming once in LCM, but coming as 9 is a product. 9 in product. Okay, so I'm having 24 and 21. So multiplying 24 and 21, you got 504. Okay, so I'm getting A square minus B square is the question I got. A plus B into A minus B. So solving this one, you'll be getting 45 into 3. The answer is 135. Okay, so the answer is 135. A man lost 20% of his money, and after spending 70% of the remainder, he is left with rupees 270. Originally what he got. So considering I got 100 rupees, 20%, 80 rupees, only like I lost 20%, 20 rupees, I got only 80%. 80 rupees. Among 80 rupees, 70% like I'm spent. So among 80%, I spent 70%. 70% of 80%. It's not 70%. You should not have 70%. 70% of 80%. The remaining amount is 270. So what is the initial amount? So let's see the explanation. 100% minus 20% is 80%. 70% of 80% is 70 divided by 100 into 80 is 56%. So 80% minus 56%, 25%. So 25% he lost 20%, right? Only 80% he got. So 25% is 270 rupees. Okay, so 100% is what? So 270 divided by 24 into 100, you got 1125. The amount is 1125 rupees. That's the initial amount he got. Among that, 20% he lost and 70% he spent. The rest of the money he got. Among the 70% he spent, the rest of the amount is 270 rupees. How can we enable the USB pen drive in network? If network administrator disable the drive, assume you are a computer administrator, but when you enable it, show Windows can't enable this drive. Okay, so how we are going to see? Actually, like one of my friend is there, is a system administrator. He disabled the pen drive. I want to enable it. How we can do it? Maybe like a registry, or in the Windows computer settings you can change it. Maybe a software. Let's see like how is the answer is given. So it can be like a 5 ways: altering the registry value of USB mass storage device. So regedit, go to run regedit, you can change it. Disabling the USB ports from device manager. So maybe like they have done it in the device manager by uninstalling the USB mass storage drivers. Uninstall it and afterwards inject this driver, automatically it will try to install. Using the third party freeware or using Microsoft Exit. So these are the 5 things which you are able to do to enable it once again. Okay, and these are the 5 steps they will be using it to disable it. Now, what is the difference between data structure and database? Database is the one which I can store the data. what is the order of storing the data is given by data structure. See, I got a table. In the table I store the data. The place where I store the data is called database. How I am going to store it is data structure. Okay, so let's see the difference. Data structure is about storing data or handling data in RAM. Database is the concept of tool we store the data in the permanently. This is the difference. It is in the memory, it's in the computer. So how we are going to store it is in the memory, and stored it's in the computer. So it's a volatile memory and it's a non-volatile. Okay, automatically if you reset my machine, my computer, like my data structure is gone, my RAM is cleaned up. Over here I've stored in the hard disk. Okay, this is the difference. Note it down. Let's move to question 11. The chocolate cost is ₹1, and if you return 3 wrappers, I return 3 wrappers of chocolate, we get 1 more chocolate. I got 15 rupees. How many chocolates do I bought? I will buy for 15 rupees, 15 chocolate I got. I ate 15 chocolate, I got 15 wrappers. I got 15 wrappers. If I return 12 wrappers, I'll get 4 chocolate. Okay, I'll get 4 chocolate, I'll eat it. So let's see, like this is the logic, I need to do it. So over here I got a rupees of 15 chocolates. 15 rupees. I bought the chocolate for 15 chocolates, 15 rupees, 15 chocolate plus 15 wrappers. Good. So first thing is 15 chocolate I ate. Now I got 15 wrappers. Okay, 15 wrappers. So among the 15 wrappers, we got 5 chocolates. I got 5 chocolates once again. So because 15 wrappers, every 3 wrappers 1 chocolate, right? So 15 wrappers, I got 5 chocolates. I ate the chocolate. Now I got 5 wrappers once again. So what I will do is like among the 5 wrappers I gave, so I got 2 wrappers here. I got 2 wrappers here. I got 5 wrappers here. I gave 3 wrappers. I got 1 chocolate. 2 wrappers is pending. Okay. So I ate it. I ate it. I got 1 wrapper. 1, 2, 3 wrappers. I gave 1. I'll ate it once again. So you got 15 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, you got 22. The total number of chocolates I ate is, so this is not 3 chocolates, it's 1, sorry. This one is 1. I ate 22 chocolates, this is 1, sorry. This is 1. Okay, I ate 22 chocolates, so this is the answer. Yeah, accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning. Though how many degrees will the hover and rotate when the clock shows 2 o'clock? 8, 2. It should be 180. It should be approx of 180. Yeah, 180. So 8 o'clock and 2 o'clock it's 180. So 360 divided by 12 into 6. The angle traced by the hover hand 6, right? So it's 180 degree. Wall of 88 meter, the wall is 88 meter, the man climbed 12 steps, 12 meter and falls down 8. Okay, 12 meter 8, 12 meter 8, 12 meter 8, 12 meter 8. He is trying to reach the top. Okay, so see 88 meters is there, he climbed 12 meters, fell down 8, fall down 8, 12, 8, 12, 8. Okay, so this is how it will be. This is the wall. See, actually like this guy, first attempt like 12 meter he climbed and afterwards he fall down, so 4 gain. So 10th attempt you will have 40 gain. 20th attempt you will be having 80 gain. Okay, so the reason is 12. So first attempt 12 minus 8 you will get your option as 4 gain. 10th attempt 4 into 9 for day for the like a gain, and first attempt is 4. So obviously 10th attempt is 40 gain. Okay, 20th attempt is 4 into 9 for 19-day gain plus 12, because once if you reach the 12th one he won't come back. So at the 20th attempt he will reach this 88. He will reach that 88. Okay, 4 into 19 plus 12, yes, correct. Okay, so in the 19th attempt you will reach almost 76. From 76, 4 into 19 is 76. From there at a short 12 attempt he will reach 88, he will reach the top. So after reaching top he won't fall down. Okay, the answer is 12, so 20, that's the answer. At 20th attempt, you will reach this 88. You may ask me questions like we are looking for a lot of Zoho interview questions, sir. Do we have this question in the web pages? Yes. Go to this URL wikidigi.com/interview questions/Zoho interview questions and answers. You will get hundreds of questions with answers in this particular URL. Apart from that, we got a lot of Zoho interview questions and other company interview questions at our YouTube channel Wikidigi Code. Let's move on to the next question. The list of number which when divided by 35, 45 and 55 and leaves remainder 18, 28, 38 is what? Okay, a list of number 35 minus 18, because divided by some number you'll get this remainder. So 35 divided by number, I got this one. 45 divided by number, this will get this one. 55 divided by the number, this I'll be getting this one. Let's see. So the answer is 35 minus 18. So I got I'm trying to take the LCM. It's a 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. So according to this, like I got 35 minus 18 is 17. 45 minus 28 is 17. 55 minus 38 is 17. So LCM of 35, 45, 55 is the least of number which when divided by and leaves remainder is what? So 5, like so for this one 5 is common. I created the LCM 5 into 7 into 9 into 11. It's 3465. 3465 is the answer. Minus 17, you got 3448. This is the least of number which when divided by these numbers will give this number. Okay, 3448 is the answer. There are two lights. So one is green, the other one is red. I got green and red. Green blinks 2 times per minute. Every 30 seconds you will have a blinking. The red blinks 3 times per minute. Okay, this one is 2 times, this one is 3 times. Okay, the blinking is happening. If 2 lights are start at the same time, how many times they blink together in 1 hour is the question. Okay, so 2 lights are there. So the first light will be having in 2 times per a minute. Okay, at 30th second it will blink. So it starts at 0, 0. Okay, 30th second it will blink. Okay, 60th second it will blink. 90th second it will be every 30 seconds it will blink. 120th second it will blink. Second light will thrice in 2 minutes. Oh, thrice in 2 minutes. Oh, I forgot this one. So it will be having thrice in 2 minutes, and 40th minute, 80th minute, 120th second. Sorry, 40, 80 and 120th second. This will blink. These two will meet at the 2 lights coincide one time in 2 minutes. You are able to see it here. 2 lights coincide one time every 2 minutes. Okay, I want for 1 hour. Obviously 60 divided by 2, you got the answer as 30. So 30 times these 2 people will blink at the same time. See, actually there is a peculiar answer, we should think about it. If they gave an option as 31, okay, the answer is 30. For Zoho Corporation is 30. If it is an Infosys is 31. Okay, that why? You may ask me a question, why? The reason is if they given option as 31, please select 31. The reason is like it start at 0, so both blink at 0 first. So 30, I need a +1 here, the answer is 31. If it is Infosys, the answer is 31. If it is Zoho Corporation, the answer is 30. In case in Zoho Corporation, if you give 31, please select 31. Since they have given only 30 as an option, just select 30. Okay, be careful with this question. The basic answer is 31. Okay, let's move on. Because both the lights blink at first time, blink it at 0th second, and after it will go to the second 2 minutes. Okay, we need to add the 0th second also, right? Okay, so it should be 31. Given array of integers, or rearrange the array in such a way that the first element is first maximum and second element is first minimum. Oops, this is going to be the toughest question. Okay, let's see like how we can solve this one. Okay, so I got an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want 6 here, 1 here, 5 here, 2 here, 4 here, 3 here. For this, to resolve this problem, we need a logic behind. Okay, so the logic is like you have to memorize it. That's an option. Okay, what you have to do is like I want to separate the numbers. 0th number, like something I missed it out here. So 0th number is here. So 0th number is here. I made a for loop. Inside that I made a if condition. Even number, put it here, solve it here, and odd number here. So 0, put it here, array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3, array of 4, and array of 5. 0, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. Solve this one. Okay, so even number is like will be placed here, odd number. So that's why like I percentage of 2 is equal to 0. Modulus of 2 is 0. So even number will be coming in this if loop, and odd number will come in this else loop. So I'm declaring a variable. So I got 6 in the array. I got 6 elements. The max of ID is 5, and the max of element is 7. So you got 2 variables, and min of ID is 0. So 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got that array. So array of 0 to max ID. Okay, max ID. So 0, 0. So 6 elements are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you got, that's why like n minus 1. The max ID is 5. Okay, min ID is 0, 0 to 5. That's 6 elements. The maximum element is 7. Okay, beyond 6 is a number. I want the 7 value. I'll tell you in the later why we are using it. Now I made a for loop to loop through an array. In the loop through it, I want the array of max ID, which is nothing but the max ID. What is the max ID? Is 5. Array of max ID is 5. Modulus of the max element into the element. So just memorize this logic. An array of I plus is equal to, so array of I is equal to array of I plus this one. Array of I is equal to array of plus is equal to, so you have to write like this. This plus is equal to, you have to write array of I is equal to array of I plus. That's how you have to write this logic. So writing this logic, this is the one you should memorize it. Okay, over here max element, put it, and after like over here array of 0 for this one, you got the answer as 43, and array of 1, you got the answer as 9, solving this one. Okay, and I'm like, so I'm writing this one. Okay, so this is the first element, it's coming, and this one array of I will be 43. Okay, 0th element, and the first element is coming, array of I is 9, Now second element is coming, okay, array of I is 38, third element is coming, array of I is 18, okay, fourth element is coming, array of I is 33, fifth element is coming, the final element is coming, the value is 27. Okay, I am decrementing the max ID over here and incrementing the max ID, min ID here. So 5, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is the logic you should have to find this, to get these elements, and afterwards divide by 7, you will get the answer. Now, so over here what I have done is like I got 43, 38, 33, 9, 18, 27. Okay, 43, 9, 38, 18, 33, 27. This is the 0th element, first element, second element, third element, fourth. Now for int j is equal to 0, j less than n, n is what is, the n is like you will be having n as the number of elements in the array, j plus plus. Array of j is equal to, array of 0 is equal to array of 0 divided by max element, 43 divided by 7. You got the answer. It's 5. Now it's 6. It's 6. Divided by 43 divided by 7, it's 42, right? It's 6. And over here 9 divided by 7, you got 1. So the answer is 43 divided by 7, you got 6. 9 divided by 9 divided by 7, 9 divided by, this one is 7, 9 divided by 7 you got 1, 38, 38, 38, 38 divided by 7 you got 5, 35, you got 5, 18 divided by 7 you got 2, okay, 33 divided by 7 you got 4, 27 divided by 7 you got 3, okay, you got this 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, you got the answer. So, this is how you have to write the logic, and here is the full program. Over here you are able to see I got an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, n is equal to, I want to find the number of elements. So, size of the array, what is the size of the array? Size of the array is 2 plus 2, because every integer will take 2 bytes. So, 6 into 2 it is a 12 divided by the first element, size of an array of 0 it is a 2, the answer is 6. The number of elements of array is 6, I find the number of elements is 6. Now, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I am going to loop through it to print it. So, it will, this code will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this code will print the data, and afterwards a rearrange of array. I am passing array and n to this guy, there is a function, I got a function. Over there we have seen this logic previously, I put this logic, okay. After rearranging, I am trying to print the array, I am trying to print the array. Now, I got the array, once again I am trying to print it, you got the answer as 6, 1, 5, 2, 4 and 3, you got the answer. So, this is how the program is. I am trying to show the program. So, I am trying to rearrange an array. So, int of array, so it is an array which is passed as a parameter, and int n. Now, I got max id n minus 1, min id is 0, and the max element is found, and I am trying to print it to display what is the max element, it should be 7, right, okay. Over here I am trying to loop through the array, so even element will be coming here, array of 0, array of 0, array of 2 and array of 4 will come here, and we are trying to do the logic here, and over here I got the else loop, array of 1, array of 3 and array of 5, everything will be looped through in here. Here max of id is reducing and min of id I am incrementing, okay. Now, I am finally, after getting this data, I am making divided by the max element, you got the actual output, this code will give the output, okay. Here is the main program, I got the array and I am finding the length of the array here. So, this is an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and finding the length of the array. So, over here it is a 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6, the n value is 6. Now, I am trying to give the array value, I am trying to give the array value here, okay. So, I am trying to print the array output and I am calling the rearrange of array, automatically the array is getting rearranged and now the sorted array is taken as output, okay. This is the output of the array, okay. This is how you are able to get the desired output, okay. So, let us see I am trying to run the program, I am trying to run the program. So, running it over here, this is the array, this is the max element 7 and this is the intermediate values, and solving this one you got 6, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3. So, that is the answer. Now, to find the odd numbers in between the range, so that is the question number 17. Over here I got the value, so I got 2 numbers, 2 is the minimum and 15 is the maximum. Any numbers, just give any numbers. What are the odd numbers available, print it, or maybe you can ask the count also, okay. The question is to find the odd numbers in between the range. So, I got the number is equal to minimum 2, which is lesser than or equal to 15, number plus plus, increment it. If the number is percentage, a modulus of 2 not equal to 0, then it is an odd number, print that number, okay. So, you got this number, so this is the logic. So, let us see the program. So, I got the number, int min and max as the numbers, enter the minimum range, I am trying to print the value. So, I gave the value as 2, so 2 is given, right. So, I will give the input as 2, and what is the maximum range, 15, and use this logic and afterwards you are able to find it. Here is the program, I am trying to run the program, okay. So, here is the int main, So in number, int min and max. Now I am going to see out enter the minimum range. I am getting the input data, see out enter the maximum range. I am getting the maximum data. For number is equal to minimum to, so 2 to 15, 2 to 15, loop through each. If number percentage do not equal to 0, print it. So this is how you are able to get it. So I am running the program, enter the minimum range, I am giving 12 to 15, I got the output. So that's the output, okay, that's how the program is. So you may ask me a question like what kind of company we are. Kashiv Infotech is a company. We are conducting lots of trainings to the people. We are conducting in-plant training and internship for the people who are studying currently and also the passed out people. And for the freshers and experience, if you are a job seeker, you can contact me at any time. We are here to help you. And our company, we are conducting lots of technological courses with like a lowest cost, and I am the trainer. And here is the contact number. You can contact us for any kind of help. What will be the output of the C program? So here is the program, and what will be the output? Minus 126, runtime error, garbage value, and compile time error. So what is the program? The program is in A is equal to 130, cat a star pointer equal to cat a star of ampersand of A, print of percentage D, star pointer. 130, I am trying to convert it to a character. The maximum value is 128 for a character. So minus 128, so minus 127 to 128, automatically it will start reversing. Okay, so 128 to 127, it's minus 126, that's the answer. Okay, over here you are able to see it here. See, 128 128 minus 128 to 127 is the range of a character. Okay, if you are trying to convert this 130 into a character, automatically after 128 it will go on minus, so 129 indicates minus 127, 130 indicates minus 126, 131 indicates minus 125. The question is 130 indicates converting your integer of 130 into a character, the value is minus 126 is the answer. Here is the problem. So I am trying to solve this one. So I got my int A is equal to 130, cat of star pointer, and I got the pointer here, cat of star of ampersand of A. So I am trying to have this A value which convert to character and put in this pointer. I am running it here. The answer is minus 126. Given two numbers A and B, I got two numbers 100, 200, like it should be both less than 200. It's 120 to 180, something like that. You got two numbers which is less than 200, and we have to find the square numbers which lie between A and B. Okay. So I got two numbers 100 and 150. The square of the number, like 10 square is 100, which between 11 square is 121 will come, 12 square is 144. Between these two numbers, the square of the number should come. Let's see the logic. Considering I am putting as A is equal to 12 and 120, between this number, 4 square, 3 square is 9, it won't come. 4 square is 16, it's between these two numbers. 5 square is 25, yes. 6 square is 36, yes. 7 square is 49, yes. 8 square is 64, yes. 9 square is 81, yes. 10 square is 100, yes. 11 square is 121, no. So between these two numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total number per first square is 7. Okay, that's the one. We have to find the square numbers which lie between A and B. So we have to write the program for this. What could be the logic? Between these two numbers, I need to do a for loop. So for I is equal to A, I less than or equal to B. Okay, so between these loop, make a for loop. And I got a variable for inside of a nested for loop. J is equal to 1, J into J lesser than or equal to I, or J plus plus. So if J into J is equal to I, count plus plus, increment it. Considering I'm entering into this loop, the value is 3. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9. 9 less than or equal to I, 9 less than or equal to I, it's 12. Yes, the condition is less than or equal to I, yes, it's accepting. Now it's come here. J into J is equal to I, no. So the value is not incrementing. Okay. So once again it will loop through, it will go like if the value becomes I is equal to 16 now. Okay. Now I is equal to 16 now. In that case, it will come to the inside loop for loop now. Over here J is equal to 3, 3 into 3 into 3 is less than or equal to I. Yes, 9 is less than I. It will come 9 is equal to 16, no, it won't satisfy it. Now I will go with the for loop 4, 4 into 4 is less than or equal to 16, okay, and 4 into 4 is equal to 16, the value will be getting incremented 1. This is how, this is the logic we should put it, this is the logic we should write to find the count. Okay, let's see the logic now. Okay, now this is my main program. I got my A and B variable, enter the numbers, got A and got B. The condition is A less than 200 and B less than 200. Then count square of A comma B is the program. I will go here. So A comma B, I got my value. What is the value I gave? 12 and 120. So 12 comma 120 is the parameter, it's passed here. 12 and 120. Now I got my 12 and 120. I put this logic, the initial value is count equal to 0 and I'll be incrementing it, and this program is returning the count value, return count, and this is the count value. Okay, this count value I'm trying to print it here. Okay, and if there is, if this condition is not satisfied, and else condition I place it here. Okay, this is the program. So as I told, I got my function count square, that's the function I have written, int A comma int B. Okay, you can have any name, not only count square, you can have any name. Okay, I got the loop here, this is the condition I am going to write it, and this function will be returning the count, the number of integers, the number of numbers, and there is a main function. I am giving the numbers C in A and B, I am giving A and B. Now A is less than 100, 200 and B less than 200, we need to validate. Okay, count of square A comma B is given. Now I am trying to print it here. So this program will give the valid, like the number of squares available which is less than between two numbers and it is less than 200. Okay, I am going to run it, enter the number, I am giving 12. Now it's 120, the answer is 7. Okay, that's how we need to solve this program. Okay, now we'll move to the question number 20. That's given an array and a threshold value and find the outputs. This is another kind of program they will ask. Let's see like how we can solve it. Here is the array 5, 8, 10, 13, 6, 12, and I'm giving a threshold value as 3. You may ask me like whether we need to give the same data or no. Okay, you can give anything. Here is the logic for this program. They are asking this kind of logic. Okay, what is the logic behind? So I got the number 5, the threshold value is 3. So 5, threshold value is 3 and afterwards make it as 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. Here 8, divide it and the threshold value is 3. So 3, 3, 2. 10, 3, 3, 3. Oh, it should be 1. Sorry for that. This is not 2. This is 1. This is 1. 13, 3, 3, 3, 3. It should be 1. Okay, divide that number with the 3 and put the remainder also. 6, 3, 3, 2. So this is mistake. Sorry for that. This is 1. This is 1. And 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 plus 1. It's 10. Okay, the count is 1 plus 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 2, 2. And total number is 2 plus 3, 5, 9, 9, 10, 15, 17. Total count is 17. So this is the, for this one, we have to write the program. Let's see like how we can write the program, for this logic. So this is the code I am trying to write it. This is the main logic we have to write it. Let's see like how we can do it. Okay, I got I'm going to loop through it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm trying to loop through it for loop in I equal to 0, I less than 6, I plus plus. I'm trying to loop through it. I got the divisor or like a division or divisor, something like that, div is equal to 0. Div is equal to array of I divided by the threshold. What is the threshold? The threshold value is 3 I gave. Okay, threshold value is 3 I gave. Okay, now threshold value is 3. So 5 divided by the threshold value, I got the value as 1. Okay, so 1 divided by, so 5 divided by 3 will have 1, div is equal to 1. If array of I percentage of TR threshold value is not equal to 0 because the remainder is 2. Okay, the divisor is 1 and you will the value is 1 and you got the remainder 2. If the remainder is not equal to 0, increment it, the value is 2, you got the count as 2 for this one. For 5 you got the count as 2. Okay, now my 8 is coming. 8 divided by the threshold value is 3. 8 divided by 3 you got the answer as 2. So 8 divided by 3 you got a remainder as 2 which is not equal to 0. So I need to increment it. So the answer is 3. The answer is 3. For 8 you got the answer count as 3. Now I will go with the 10. I will go with the 10. 10 divided by 3 you got 3 with the remainder as 1 which is not equal to 0. So 3 plus 1 you will have 4 here. You got the answer as 4. Okay. Now I'll go with this logic. I got 13. 13 is coming here, or 13 is coming here. 13 divided by 3 you got the product as 4 with the remainder as 1 which is not equal to 0. So increment the value, you got the answer as 5. This is a 5. Okay. Now I'll go with the 6. 6 divided by 2 is 2 and the remainder is 0. So no increment. No increment. Okay, I got this one. I got this one. Okay, and over here I got 2. 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2, 3 is 2. And I got the remainder. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, but it's not equal to 0. Over here I got 0 here. So for this one you should understand the logic. For 2, 2 divided by 2 divided by 3 you got 0. Div is 0 but the remainder is 2. So incremented it, you got 1 here. And finally you got the count value. I am trying to add this count value for each condition. For each condition after getting this one I got the div value which is 2. So count equal to count plus 2, I got 2. And afterwards the next value is 3 here, div value is 3. Count is already 2 plus 3, already 5 plus 4. So automatically you got the answer as 17. The count value is 17 here. So this is the logic, we have to use it. Now I got the program now. So main function I got the array of 6 is equal to, I got the array. The threshold value is 3 I gave, you can give any number. Okay. So this is the logic which I have explained here, and finally I am printing the count value. So here is the program. So here is your main function, and I got the arrays which is of 6 numbers, and initially count equal to 0 and threshold is 3, and you can change the values and check it out. The logic is same. So I got the for loop over there. I am giving this division value, it's a divider or divisor, so which is the 1, and there is any remainder, increment it once again, C out, giving the output, and finally I'm accumulating the count equal to count plus div, count equal to count plus div. So now I'm compiling the output, and this is the logic I found. Okay. So let's move on to the next program. That's what the first problem, that's reversing the words in a given string. So here is the one, I got a word or a wiki teki. I want to reverse it, reverse the words in a given string. I want to reverse it. So the reversal order is very different now. The reversal order they are looking for is very different. Here is the logic. Over here I want this logic. What is the reversal order they are looking for? Not I'm not asking like the complete reverse, they are not asking this program, they are asking W and Y should reverse, I and H should reverse, K and C should reverse, E and I should reverse. So that's the logic they are looking for. So we have to take the first one and the last one and reverse it, okay, and so this is how we have to find it. So you'll be having the first one and this one, reverse it. So this one you have to increment it, you should have a I variable, increment it, J variable, decrement it, I variable, swap it using a temporary variable. So that's the logic I should use it. I is equal to 0, over here I is equal to 0, J is equal to string length of string minus 1, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 0 to 8. So the length is 9, the length is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. That's why like they made a minus 1 here. So condition checking is while I less than j, until y I less than j, this one increment it, this one decrement it, until this condition, until it reach the center, okay, swap it. I put temp is equal to string of I, put this w in temp, temp is a character, string of j, okay, so y, put it in here, so put this one y put it here and over here, so this y and w it's swapped. Now temp got w, put it in, so this is the logic I made, take this w, put it in temp, take this y, put it in I, so put it in I, so y, so w is gone, y will come here. So w is placed in temp, right? From this temp put it in j, so put it here, okay, the first letter and the last letter is swapped, okay. So I plus plus, move the pointer here, j minus minus, move the pointer here, swap it, move the pointer here, swap it. So this is how the logic is written, okay. So let's see the program, okay, this is the program. So I got a character, string of 100 is a string, character array, and a temp variable which is a character, I and j is equal to 0, I is equal to 0 and j equal to 0, you can have it. So enter the string wiki, this is the string, I am printing it, I equal to 0, j is equal to string length of string 1, which I explained it to you, and the reverse string is str, will give the reverse string. Now here is the logic, okay. So I am having a main function, I am having the string array, okay, and a temp variable, I got two variables, and I am printing the string initially, I equal to 0, j equal to string length of string, which is the actual string I got, minus 1, the last element, until the last element swap it, so swap it, okay, you got three things, temp and this one, this is the logic I gave, I plus plus and j minus minus, loop through it until it reach the, not satisfy condition, until it satisfies condition you should swap it, reverse the string, finally like I am trying to compile it, I am going to run it. So wiki tiki, this is swapping, okay. Now question number 22, 999 777 666 444, what is the next number? Okay. So 999 minus 77, we should use subscriber logic. Let's see, the logic is, so 999 minus 2 to 777 is 222, this one is 111, 222 111, the answer is 333. So 222 111, 222 it should be 111, okay. Let's move on to the problem. A, S, D, F, G, R stands for let it go B, and this stands for this one, this is kind of encryption, go with it. What is the code for BE? Let it be, BE is GHY, GHY, the answer is B. No need of solving this one, let it be, so B is GHY. So this is the final question, we are ending the session. The population of mice in a market doubles every day. The population of mice is doubling every day. Every day 20 mice are killed. How many mice is there if after every 3 days the number of mice becomes same again? Oh, this is going to be a peculiar question. See, 2 mice are there, it is doubling, it became 4, it will become 8, it will become like 16. So it's doubling every day. Every day 20 mice are killed. Oh, 20 mice are killed. How many mice are there if after every 3 days the number of mice becomes same again? Oh, I got 10 mice, after 3 days once again 10. After 3 days once again 10, doubling, killing, and once again 10. What is the logic? Number of mice is x. So 20 killed, so it will become x minus 20. Okay, 20 killed on the first day. Second day 2 into x minus 20, because this is the living mice on the first day. This is the living mice on this first day, right? 2 into x minus 20, and 20 mice is killed, so 2x minus 20. This is the living mice in the second day. 2 into 2x minus 20 minus 20, so this is the killed, third day it's killed. So this is the living mice in the third day. On the third day, this is equal to the first day mice. So x minus 20 equal to 4x. Solving this one, you got the answer as 20. So 20 mice is there. Okay. So next day it will become 40 minus 20. 20 is there. It will become 40 minus 20. So every day only 20 mice are living. Okay. This is the problem. So I think we are reaching the end of like a Zoho interview, interview questions and answers, and we got part 2. Like, it's checking our YouTube channel. This is going to be real toughest. Part 2 is there with the complicated problems, and our company Kasha Infotech is, we are providing lots of in-plant training internship for the students. You can contact us. We are conducting courses also in the weekends and weekday. These are the courses, entire C and C++ and a lot of aptitude questions, and we are solving everything. So you can contact us, and this is the contact number. And we got a lot of YouTube channels here. Wikiteki Code, Wikiteki, interview tips and schools. So go to the channels and check it out. You got lots of interview questions, and also like you'll be loving it. So subscribe to our channel and click the bell symbol to get a lot of notifications. And thanks for watching this video. This video, like the intention of this video is to like transform the society, and I'm looking for a lot of people to get job and to get settled and take care of your family. So this is Venkat signing out from you. Thank you for sharing this, seeing this video. Thank you.